Dark green group. This is dark green sort 34. You will need 5 different colors. You have 4 patterns, and then you have an oddball. So go ahead and grab your 5 colors. All of your words this week end with an N, but the way they end is a little different. They either end with an EN, making the N sound, ON, on, AIN, N, or just an IN, in. Okay, so we have different endings. They all have an N, but they're made differently. Let's start with EN, N. So for example, broken. I hear the N at the end. 11. I hear the N at the end. Hidden. I hear that. Heaven. Do you hear the N? Chosen. Chosen. I hear the N. Stolen. My bike was stolen. Mitten. Okay. I think that is it for the ENs. Go ahead and change colors. Now we're moving on to ON. Makes the on. Dragon. You don't really say on. Dragon, right? Cotton. You don't say cotton. Cotton. Ribbon. So again, makes the N sound. Gallon, but it has the ON instead. Very, very bottom. Prison. Makes the N sound. And bacon. Right next door. Oh, there we go. Bacon has the ON. All right, so there's your ONs. Let's go ahead and change colors. Now we have AIN. Again, makes the N sound, but now we have the A and the I together, like mountain. Mountain's a hard one. There's an OU here and an AI there. Ooh. Captain. Do you hear the N sound at the end? Bargain. Bargain might mean that you get a really good price on something, or bargaining might be someone who like, hey, I'll take $2. Well, will you give me $3? Oh, how about, going back and forth. Fountain has the AIN at the end. And curtain. Can you close the curtain for me? So in, but these have the AIN. All right, next color, we're going to go over here to just the regular IN, so not AIN, just IN, like cousin. I hear the in sound again. Cabin, IN. Muffin, in. Napkin, and my favorite down here, penguin. This is a weird one. GUIN. That's a weird one. Penguin's a weird one. Okay, here comes your oddball. Go ahead and change colors one last time. Makes the N sound, but it's ION. Mission. I'm on a mission. So there's your oddball. It doesn't follow the EN, ON, AIN, or IN. It's ION. Okay, dark green group, make sure that you take a picture and then make sure that you study your words.